Hi everybody, welcome to my channel, Jeeping with Joey. I'm Joey. Today we're back working on my 96 Jeep Cherokee. And I have a boogered up lug nut stud. Now I've already loosened the stud up, as you can see. Today I'm going to show you how to replace this. First you're going to need your favorite BFH. Mine's a 4-pound sledge from Harbor Freight. A new wheel stud. Of course your lug nut. And a stack of washers. I'm going to be doing this with hand tools. So you're going to need a 19 millimeter and breaker bar. The longer the better. That's what she said. So first thing you're going to do, remove the wheel, of course, jack it up, put on jack stands, remove the wheel, remove the brake shoe, and then with your favorite BFH, give a couple love taps to that stud. And it will back through. There you go. Move that to the side. Grab your new stud. Oop. I'm doing this with one hand. I'm sorry about the lighting as well. Set you down for just a second. I'll get that in place. Grab your new stud and get it up in there. There it is. My new stud. I picked these up at Napa. You can also get the extended ones if you want, but I just went with the factory length. Again, to grab yourself a few washers. What we need to do is we need to seat we need to seat. Oh, come on, light. Seat that stud in there. Put those washers on. Gonna set you down for just a second. If you got this washer seated on there, grab your lug nut, hold the back of the stud, and start tightening it up. Keep that as tight as you can. Grab your breaker bar and your 19 millimeter. And crank it into place. Now I'm going to need to jump up and lock that down. Give me just a second, I'll be right back. Uh-oh. And I realize this lug nut is missing the outer sheath, so I need to go down to 18 millimeter to get that on there. Now, of course, you could do this with an impact. That'll make it a lot easier, a lot quicker. But we're just going to get that installed. You don't need it. I'll enjoy doing things with hand tools to show whoever's watching. It's not that difficult to do most things, especially on these Cherokees. And we want to get that seated all the way in there. We still got a little ways to go. And that's why a impact is a lot easier. You can just zip it on there and be done with it. Now, to ensure you don't have to do this, when you take off your lug nuts, you put them back on. Always put them on as far by hand as you can. That way you avoid cross-threading. A lot of people like to throw it in the impact and zip them on real quick. But that's how you get into this situation. Oh, we're almost there. You'll know when you're there because you can see the back side of the stud. You just line them up, right? Not too difficult. Anybody can do this job. Once you get there, go ahead and back off that lug nut. Oh, goodness. Give me just a second, let me get situated here. I'm going to back off that lug nut. Instead of just keeping it spinning. Spinning. All over the place. Yeah, I'm sorry about the camera work. I'm learning here. Sorry about this mess here. Let me get it off of there. There we go. And you can see my setup here. You got my breaker bar wedged on my boot, using an old 4-way here to get that off. Let me set you back down real quick. Let me finish this up. Take off the lug nut. Oh, there goes that. Let's see. Yeah, we got it enough. My first washer, I got stuck in there. I got stuck on my lug nut, so make sure I knock that off before I get it off of there. Let me know in the comments if you can hear me. If not, I'll have to look up another way, find a microphone or something like that. All right, we got the lug nut off. There that is. Pull off your stack of washers. And you can see. Pull off your stack of washers. Throw your brake back on. Oh, give me 2 seconds. Be right back. Throw your brake back together. We're good as new.